Okay, so we just come down that little mountain there. I'm sick of walking.
We get all the falls.
Holy shit. This is Dong Lok Chai, which is some waterfall.
Get down there and get the whole fucking line.
Good luck with that.
No?
Good luck with that. Most beautiful waterfall in all of Vietnam. Video. Oh, they were the ones that overtook it.
Yeah, they were behind
Like 20 minutes ago.
it. They were behind it. Bring us up a picture.
I'm just going to Google image it. Fuck that. Someone else has taken one, surely. I'm not walking all the way down there.
Come on, bring us a picture.
Dong Lok Chai.
Don't want to.
Shit. Where's the safety railing? Seriously.
Right, but bring you.
Now you tell me.